The turkey vulture uses a technique called dynamic soaring. Here's how it works. The Raptor starts off in still air in the wind shadow of a hill. Then it rises across what's called the shear layer into fast-moving air, and so gets a kick in airspeed. A U-turn increases its airspeed even more. Finally, the bird descends into still air, turning back to its original position. But it's now gained tremendous energy with very little exertion. Can pilots borrow this technique? In Palmdale, California, Kyle Polson prepares a model glider at an ideal spot for dynamic soaring.
This location is really good because we get the hot desert and the cold beach, and the desert is sucking the air right out. It comes up over this hill right here, creates a perfect shear layer where the air is moving off like this, and there's calm air down here.
Each time the plane rises into the layer of fast-moving air, it picks up energy. And each turn is a chance to pick up more speed as the wings catch wind like a sail.
Oh man, the energy you get is unbelievable. You know, you'll be going 150, and then next lap around you're going 180, and then 220, just from the energy of the air.
At Edwards Air Force Base in California, Captain Randy Gordon is one of the first fighter pilots to train in dynamic soaring.
All right, so the maneuver we're going to fly is called a hairpin. In order to make it work, we're trying to figure out which way the winds are blowing.
Gordon starts with a dive to pick up speed.
I'm going to start the dive, and we're going to do this one off to the right. So there's 50 knots, 55, 60, 65, 70. There's 75. There's 85.
Now Gordon will pull up to expose the belly of his plane to wind blasting over a hill.
We'll start here, and then initiate the maneuver. Hold the nose up about 20 to 30 degrees nose high.
When the glider returns to the starting point of the maneuver, Gordon will check for faster speed.
And now we're heading back downhill, looking for about 7,400. There's 65, 70, 75, 85, and about 90 right there. So roughly about the same altitude with a little bit more in airspeed.
Aeronautical engineers are just now beginning to tap this invisible source of energy that Raptors have been exploiting for millions of years.